Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be making pasta with a delicious Italian salad on the side. So today I'm going to share with you how to make the easiest Italian salad with homemade dressing. If you haven't subscribed, I invite you to subscribe so you don't miss any of my videos. For the Italian salad, we're going to use some dragon peppers, cherry tomatoes, 3 garlic cloves, half a purple onion, small, some cucumbers, some freshly grated Parmesan cheese, garlic cheese croutons, and 1 head of romaine lettuce. Okay, so first we're going to start off with 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Then we're going to add 1 tablespoon of balsamic vinegar. We're going to add about 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard. We're going to add 3 minced garlic cloves. About half a teaspoon of crushed pepper. A pinch of oregano, which is also about a teaspoon. And half a teaspoon of honey. Once that's all in, we're going to add salt and pepper to taste, so probably about a 1/4 teaspoon and a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. Once we have all our ingredients, we're going to cover up the mason jar and shake it. And this is a lot easier than whisking it and dirtying 2 different dishes. So we're going to let that sit. Next, we're going to prepare our salad. Now, once we have our vinaigrette ready, we're going to chop up 1 head of romaine and wash it. Then we're going to go ahead and add, these are optional and these are called dragon chilies, and I chopped up about 3 of them just because I don't have any of the other ones, the yellow ones, and these taste amazing. Once we've added our dragon chilies, we're going to add some thinly sliced, thin slices of purple onion. And this is about half a small purple onion. We're going to add about half a cup of cherry tomatoes. And these are optional. I love cucumber and my fiance does too, and it's refreshing, so I'm going to add some. We're going to toss in our dressing. And then we're going to toss our salad. Once we have drizzled it evenly and tossed it evenly, we're going to go ahead and serve. And we're going to top it with some croutons. And we're going to sprinkle some Parmesan cheese. And there we have it. It's a perfect mix of flavors and it's great for any Italian food as a great side. And there you have it, this amazing salad with homemade Italian dressing. This is going to pair perfect with the pasta that I'm about to make with homemade marinara sauce. And I'll go ahead and link that video in the description box below. so you guys can give it a try. Thanks for watching.